Semicircular sheet of metal of diameter 28 cm is bent to form an open conical cup. Find the capacity of the cup. माना कि ये है हमारा एक सेमी सर्किल, इसे एक कोनिकल शेप में मोल्ड किया गया है। हमें इसकी कैपेसिटी ज्ञात करनी है। दिया गया है कि रेडियस 28/2 बराबर 14 सेमी। जब इसे कोनिकल कप में मोड़ा जाता है तो इसकी स्लैंट हाइट 14 सेमी के बराबर होगी। अब 2 पाई आर बराबर पाई आर और 2 आर बराबर आर, अर्थात आर इस र का आधा होगा। हेंस R बराबर 14/2 equals 7 centimeters. Also h equals square root of 14 square minus 7 square equals square root of 196 minus 49 equals root 147 centimeters equals 12.13. Hence, capacity of conical cup equals 1/3 pi r square h equals 1/3 गुना 22/7 गुना 49 गुना 12.13 बराबर 622.38 centimeters cube. How many square meters of canvas is required for a conical tent whose height is 3.5 meters and the radius of the base is 12 meters? This is the conical tent. Its height h is 3.5 meters. Radius r is 12 meter. Therefore, L equals square root of h square plus r square equal to square root of 3.5 varg plus 12 to the power of 2 is equal to square root of 12.25 plus 144 equal to root 156.25 equal to 12.5 meter. Hence the required area equals pi r L equal to 227 gunna 12 gunna 12.5 equal to 471.42 meters square. A cone is 8.4 centimeters high and the radius of its base is 2.1 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a sphere. The radius of the sphere is 84.2 centimeter, B 2.1 centimeter, C 2.4 centimeter, D 1.6 centimeter. Given h is equal to 8.4 centimeter, radius r is equal to 2.1 centimeter. It is melted and recasts into a sphere. Let of radius r when melted their volume will be equal. Hence volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone melted. Therefore, 4/3 pi r cube equal 1/3 pi r square h. Putting down the values, we get 4r cube equal to r square h. Or, r cube is equal to 2.1 into 2.1 into 8.4/4. R equal to cube root of 2.1 cm equals 2.1 centimeter. Hence answer is B. A cone, a hemisphere and a cylinder stand on equal bases and have the same height. Show that the ratio of their volumes is in the ratio 1:10. It is clear from the figure that h is equal to r. V of cone is 2. V of hemisphere is 2. V of cylinder equals 1/3 pi r square r is 2. 2/3 pi r square r is 2. Pi r square r cube equal to 1 is 2. 2 is 2.3. Find the total surface area of a cone whose radius is and slant height is 21. TSA is equal to pi r L jod r. Applying conditions, TSA is equal to pi r upon 2. 2L plus r upon 2 is equal to pi r upon 2 into 2 L jod r upon 4. Hence, is equal to pi r L plus r upon 4. The volume of a right circular cone is 924 घन centimeter if its height is 18 centimeters. Then find the area of its base. Given volume of cone equal to 924 centimeters cube, h equals 18 centimeters. To find area of base, using formula V is equal to 1/3 pi r square guna h. Putting values, we get 924 is equal to 1/3 area of base into 18. Hence area of base equals 924 into 3/18. Hence area of base is equal to 154 square centimeters. The ratio of height and the diameter of a right circular cone is 3:2 and its volume is 1078 घन centimeter. Then find its height. Given h upon 2r is equal to 3:2, or v is equal to 1078 centimeters cube. As we know, v is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Here, h upon 2r equals 3 upon 2. Therefore, r equals h upon 3. Hence, 1078 equals 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into h square upon 9 guna h. Hence h cube equals 1078 guna 7 guna 3 guna 9 whole upon 22. H cube equals 7 cube guna 3 cube. Hence h equals 21 centimeter. The volume of two spheres are in the ratio of 64:27. The ratio of their surface area is A 4:3, B 3:4, C 16:9, D 5:9. Given V1 upon V2 equals 64 upon 37, that is, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube upon 4 by 3 pi r2 cube equals 64 upon 27, r1 cube upon r2 cube equals 4 by 3 whole cube, hence r1 upon r2 equals 4 upon 3. Hence ratio of their surface area is 4 pi r1 upon 4 pi r2 equals r upon r equals 4 upon 3. Answer is A.